Hi everyone, Crystal here with Factory Girl Design. Hope you are doing well. I wanted to pop in. We're nearing the end of June and heading into July. And one of my goals this year was to learn how to spin. We're going to see how that goes. And why I say we're heading into July is because that is also the kickoff for Tour de Fleece. I've never participated, but I'm excited to jump in and give it a go and have a good reason to, or not really a good reason, but have some more inspiration to really learn and practice spinning. I just admire everybody who has that skill down and love seeing the gorgeous yarns that come to be out of the whole process. So I have done a little bit of shopping and wanted to share with you some of the spinning fibers I have acquired so far, and then invite you to join me for July to watch the process and watch me learn. I'm excited to share with you all, and I am open to any advice you can give. I did purchase lower cost e-spinner because the spindle thing just wasn't, I just couldn't really get into it. It just didn't look like it was something I was gonna enjoy, and I'm not ready for a spinning wheel. So I thought the e-spinner was a good starting point, and getting one as a beginner price point, lower price point, I also felt was a nice way to step in and get started and see how I liked it. So fingers crossed it all goes well. We shall see. But first I wanted to share, so I'm going to share with you some of the fibers I'm going to work with, and I might only end up working with one of these. I don't know, for the whole month. I have no idea what's going to happen. But this first one that I purchased is from Into the Whirled. I just think it is so pretty. These rich colors of blues and greens and beiges. This is called the Bounty Hunter's Picnic, and it's 4 ounces of Targhee wool. So I've been told that using wool without anything added to it is good for beginners. So that might be one of the first ones that I start with. This next one came from Primrose Yarn Company as part of their Candlelight Society. I can't remember which month this was. I think this might have been April. I don't remember. But this is 80% superwash merino and 20% nylon. So I think in the end I might end up with a beautiful sock yarn. It's called Pinkfection. I just adore these bright pinks. I think Kelsey and her crew do such a great job dyeing some fun yarns. This next one is going to be once I graduate into more delicate fibers, we shall say. This I purchased from the Walnut Farm Designs Etsy shop, and I just couldn't get enough of these colors. They just scream crystal. Some gray with some pinks and purples and golds and green colors. This is 50% gray baby alpaca, 33.3% white superfine merino, and 16.7% Surrey silk. It's a custom blend from Walnut Farm Designs. It's just stunning. So this will be a really special one for when I graduate. We'll see how that goes. And then about a month or so ago, I headed over to near the Ewetopia, Wisconsin area to go visit Ewetopia Fibers or their shop, actually their mill. Catherine had opened up her mill for tours, and I was so excited to be able to attend and be in town for a change, to be able to, go check this out, because I'd always wanted to see her mill and her process for everything. And so there I picked up one of her Helix tops, which is a U.S. produced Rambouillet and Targhee wool, and I just fell in love with these reds and pinks and purples and greens and gold, and I think this is just going to be absolutely gorgeous once I get going with it. So again, so much. And my last one that I got was from House of Alamode, And I apologize, I don't have all the information, but I'll pop it in. I'm not going to take everything out, but there are 8 little bumps of fiber in here. So I can't wait to see what this will make up when I get started with it. But I will pop the information in line for that. So that's my plan for July. I just wanted to share with you a little bit about that, and I'm going to take you on my spinning journey. So be ready for some short little video clips coming up here in the next month, and maybe even at the end of this month. I might want to test things out a little bit before July 1st. But excited to be joining the Tour de Fleece, when hopefully be sharing more with you all and popping in for some lives in that on Instagram and YouTube with some fiber spinning friends as well. So anyways, that's all. Any advice, I welcome it. Please add it in the comments. Any questions, in the comments too. And I will link to each of these brands as well. So if you want to check anything out yourself and get more information, you're more than welcome to. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll chat soon.